at me, please, Jesus. Pause seconds. I don't know what it is. Don't look at the window. Don't look at the fucking window.
You fucking idiot. Don't show this to anybody.
What if
Delete that, Mia.
Delete what?
The freaking video.
What video?
We're not gonna get caught, you fucking bitch. Except this dude is gonna...
Oh my god!
Oh, fuck! Give me something to kill it with.
Okay, get it. You're scared. You fucking didn't attack, you idiot.
Shit. Dude, that fucking thing attacked me.
Oh my fucking god.
No, I'm fucking tripping off. Where is it? Really? I do something.
You almost busted the light.
Where'd it go? It's still alive. Oh, where'd it go? It's a fucking curse, man. Fuck, you freaked me out so fucking.
My mirror thing.
Fuck you. I broke it.
Oh, you fucking did it, dude. You fucking broke it. Oh my fucking god. Ow, my hair.
Don't freak me out.
Pull it. Pull it harder. Ow! Wait. Ow! Ow! Ah!
Weird motherfucker.
All of a sudden it was in his eye.
Damn it! Why you gotta be like that? Bitch. Fuck you.
It's in your eye, dude.
Fuck.
Jack, do you feel it breathing?
No, please.
You're so fucking funny.